Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your phone number, SIM, and account all match. This matters because UPI links to your active mobile number. Once done, open Google Pay and go to Settings, then Payment Methods to see linked accounts. If an update is available, install it now because many UPI issues are caused by outdated app behavior. Make sure background data is enabled and the app has SMS and phone permissions so it can verify your UPI setup. Now focus on the bank link. Confirm your bank supports UPI and your account is active. Closed or frozen accounts will fail verification. Next, remove the bank from Google Pay and re-add it so the app reinitiates the bank verification flow. During the relink, allow SMS and phone permissions so the app can fetch the MPIN token. If verification stalls, clear app cache or reinstall the app, because stale data often blocks the verification handshake between app and bank servers. Finish by setting or resetting your UPI PIN using your debit card number and expiry. This secures your payments and completes bank activation. After you set the PIN, make a small transaction of 1 to 10 rupees to verify end-to-end flow and receive a confirmation SMS. If you still see errors, note any error code and contact your bank with that code, because banks can clear server-side blocks. One key tip: toggle airplane mode briefly if SMS OTPs are delayed, then retry. It often forces network re-registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.